Today, I have a new lens. This is my first lens that's not a kit lens. Let's open it up. Okay, this is gonna be like the quickest unboxing ever. So it's a Neewer 35mm 1.7 f-stop. Okay, that stuff, little baggie here for it, demoisturizer thing. Now the lens itself. Okay, so this is, like I said before, this is my first lens that's not a kit lens for this camera. And most people would probably go narrower than this, but I like more of a wide angle. From the experiences I've had, I would much prefer a wide angle lens over something that's not. Okay, but here it is. Sweet. I need to get an ND filter for this, which is 49mm apparently. That's what it says here. So there's the focus ring. But yeah, that's really all I wanted to do today. Okay. So, this was just kind of a quick little unboxing. I'm going to make a video about kind of explaining how lenses work, but I kind of also want to get some test footage with this lens first, so I can kind of show the difference between the lens that's on my camera now and this lens. But that was it, so catch you next one.